Kagatang Lifetime by Ben&Ben. So without further ado, let's start. So let's start with the intro. Meron lang tayong tatlong chords na gagamitin for the intro. At ang mga chords na yon ay B minor, E minor, at A minor. Bali sa intro, single strum lang muna tayo per chord. So, kung isasabi natin siya sa kanta, ganito siya. Is there a lifetime waiting for us in a world where I was yours? Bali, ganun lang po yung intro natin. So, next po ay verse 1. Sa verse 1 po, ang mga gagamitin natin chords ay C, G, at A minor. So, bali sa verse 1 po, yung C at G natin ay tatlong beses po natin uulitin. And then last po yung A minor. So, bali ang strumming pattern natin ay down, down, up, up, down. Ulit po, down, down, up, up, down. So, kung kakantayin natin yung verse 1, it will be like this. Paper planes and porcelain, smell of rain through the window pane, and the sight of you, oh, you were a good dream. So that's it for the verse 1. And then next, let's move on to the verse 2. Sa verse 2 po, ang mga gagamitin nating chords ay katulad lang din po ng chords na ginamit natin kanina sa verse 1. Bale, tatlong ulit lang din po na C at G and then A minor po sa huli. Pero, ang kaibahan po ay dadagdagan lang natin siya ng D at C sa huli. Bale, ganito po yung verse 2 natin. I was scared to lose you then, but secret turns into regrets. Buried feelings go, oh, you were a good dream. So, bali sa D po natin ay down, down. And then, pagdating po ng C ay down, down, up. Ulit po, sa D po natin ay down, down. And then, pagdating sa C ay down, down, up. And then, next nyon ay chorus. Sa chorus natin, ang gagamitin natin chords ay B minor, E minor, A minor, D, at C. So, bali dalawang beses po natin siya uulitin sa chorus. So, bali ganito lang po yung chorus natin. Was there a lifetime waiting for us in a world where I was yours? Was it a wrong time? What if we tried giving in a little more to the one we had before? Dun sa huling part ng chorus natin, yung D at C ay nagkapalit lang. So, bali C at D na siya sa huli. And then, yung strumming pattern natin dun sa C at D ay down sa C, down, down, and then sa D, down, down, up, up, down. Ulit po sa C, down, down, and then sa D po ay down, down, up, up, down. And then next is verse 3. Sa verse 3 po natin, katulad lang din po ng mga chords sa verse 1 and verse 2 ang gagamitin natin. So, bali tatlong beses po ulit na C at G and then A minor and then D, C sa huli. Bali ganito lang din po yung verse 3 natin. Tangled with another's eyes, never mind you and never mind, a glimpse of me and you, oh, you were a good dream. So, bale sa Pagkatapos po ng verse 3 ay chorus na ulit. So, bali yung mga ginamit natin sa chorus na chords ay ganun lang din po yung mga gagamitin natin. Ano po ulit yon? B minor, E minor, and then A minor, D, at C. So, bali, ang huling chorus po natin ay ganito po. Is there a lifetime waiting for us in a world where I was young? Was it the wrong time? What if we tried giving in a little more? I spent a lifetime waiting in vain just to go back to the way we were before. Was it the wrong time? What if we tried giving in a little more to the one we had before? Is there a lifetime waiting for us? All this time I have been yours. So, sa outro po natin, single strum lang po tayo per chord. So, that's it guys. I hope you learned a lot in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more ukulele tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!